In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to like, comment, and react to posts in Facebook. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel completely comfortable interacting with posts so you can engage with friends, pages, and groups in a meaningful way. Let's start with the most basic interaction, liking a post. When you're scrolling through your Facebook feed and you see something you enjoy or want to support, look underneath the post for a small hand icon, usually pointing up in a thumbs up shape. This is the like button. To like the post, simply move your cursor over that hand icon and click once. When you do this, the icon will usually change color, and you may see the word liked appear. That's your confirmation that your like has been registered. If you click it again, it will remove your like, in case you tapped it by mistake. Now let's move on to reactions, which allow you to express more specific emotions than a simple like. Instead of just clicking quickly, take your cursor and hover over that same hand icon without clicking. Keep your cursor there for a moment, and a small bar of reaction icons should appear. These usually include options like love, care, laughter, surprise, sadness, and anger. Move your cursor along this row to highlight the reaction that best matches how you feel about the post. When you've found the one you want, click on that specific reaction. The icon under the post will change to the one you chose, showing that your reaction has been applied. If you change your mind, you can hover again and pick a different reaction, or click to remove it. Next, let's talk about commenting on a post. Underneath the same post, near the like button, you'll see a comment option. Click on the word comment, and a text box will appear, usually right below the post. Click inside that box, type your message, and when you're ready, press enter or click the button to post your comment. Your comment will now appear publicly under the post, visible to others who can see that post. Take a moment to check your spelling or tone before you submit, especially on posts with a wide audience. Using likes, reactions, and comments together helps you engage more thoughtfully on Facebook. A quick like or reaction is great for showing support, while a comment lets you share your thoughts in more detail. With these simple actions, you can participate in conversations and stay connected with the people and content that matter to you.